Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you all for watching. And for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I am actually going to be doing a shout out. I will have the girl's name down below here because I don't want to butcher her name, but it's a shout out for you, hun. This is a purple smoky eye. You told me you wanted to do a smoky eye, so why not do a purple fall smoky eye? And that is what I did. So shout out to you. And I actually used the Jaclyn Hill palette, and it is Bling Boss. It is a purple shadow palette. Look at this, guys. This is so pretty. I mean, it's so beautiful, so that's why I had to use it. If you guys want to learn how to get this look, then make sure to keep on watching.
Hey guys, so I already did my brows. As you can see, I wish it was this easy to do them, but it's not. And we're going to be doing this purple smoky eye. And we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Palette Bling Boss. And we're going to start off by using Hush Hush. And I'm using this color as my transition color. And I am just going to start off by using windshield wipers motions and also circular motions. And I wanted to try these brushes out because Morphe has been like super hyped with brushes and stuff, but I really did not like these. And then Rockstar will be my next shade that I'm going to be using. I'm going to apply it right above my crease line, and as you guys saw, this brush is more like pointed, which is amazing for the crease line right above it or on the crease line, whatever. This brush is just amazing for that. But I mean, Morphe has some great brushes, except for the bristles on here I don't like. They kind of hurt my eyes. So I mean, Morphe has great brushes, don't get me wrong, but I just didn't like these, and I am gonna be trying some more brushes from Morphe to see if it's just these brushes or if it's all of their brushes. But like I said, just use windshield wiper motions and rotating. And we're gonna be using Mystic, and we're just applying this on the whole eyelid and right a little bit on the crease line. And we're just patting it down, guys. We're literally just patting it down and just trying to blend it out as well. And I am going back with my other brushes just to blend out the edges, because we don't want to have like those harsh lines. So you're just gonna go back and forth with all these brushes just to blend out the line, blend it out. And now I'm using my NYX matte black eyeliner, which I love, guys. I love this so much because the point is just so thin and it's just perfect if you guys are a beginner. This eyeliner product is just amazing. I started off using this product and oh my gosh, my wings were like on fleek every time. Does anybody else use fleek now? I don't know. Guys, I'm getting old and new trends come and go, so sorry if that's not in trend anymore. But anyways, like, this is amazing, guys. If I will be including it in my giveaway, guys, just a heads up, because I love this product so much. This is my second time purchasing it and I love it, and it's matte. So I'm using my Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express, and I'm just starting off by the roots of my eyelashes going out, like working my way out, just so I can get all of them. And I am using these lashes. These lashes are bomb.com, guys. The only reason why I'm saying this is because they cost me 50 cents. I mean, 50 cents. Yeah. And they were from AliExpress. and these are just so amazing. I love these so much. Like, I bought all 7 of them. I think there's like, yeah, there's 7 of them, and this is the 31. This is the number 31, and these actually look like you stacked lashes on them because it's it looks so voluminous and full, and is just beautiful. Like, these lashes are amazing. I really like these, so I do recommend them. Check out AliExpress, guys, because they have some really great deals that you will love. And I'm using my Essence Smoky Eye for my upper water lid, and I think it's only $1.99, and it's amazing. It's like super black and creamy. And I'm using my Profusion highlight, and I'm actually going to be using this right here, and I can't really see the name, as you can tell, but I think it's Devoted. But yeah, I'm just gonna use it on my cupid's bow, the ridge of my nose, everywhere that you highlight, guys, like, honestly. And like, I don't know, as you can see, it's so pigmented and it's really cheap. So this highlight, I don't know if they still sell it, because my sister actually purchased it from our local Goodwill, and she got it for $3.99, and I know they retail for like $9.99, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but it's just amazing. So this is a really cheap highlight. If you guys cannot afford those Anastasia ones, this is a really pretty one, really cheap and affordable. And I'm using it on my brow bone too. It's just amazing. I don't know, there's nothing bad that I could say about Profusion, guys. Like, Profusion, hit me up. I'm just kidding, but they are really great products, very affordable. So I do recommend, if you guys are on a budget, check them out. Yeah, I'm trying to get that nice highlight going. You can see, look at that glow, guys. And I'm using Mystic on my bottom eyelids or whatever, and I'm actually gonna also be pulling it out, kind of doing like a wing kind of thing on the bottom, so you can't really see it, but I think you're able to see it in this eye. But I just kind of wanted to make it a little bit intense. Instead of just having something so simple, I wanted to intensify the look a little bit. So here I am, just trying to pull it out. See, just like that. It's just a little touch that kind of makes this look be everything. And now I'm using Bling for my inner corners. And Morphe brushes, these brushes with the black bristles, I love. These I love. And I'm using my Essence Soft Contouring Liner, Lost in Love, the shade Lost in Love, and this lipstick matte. I'm outlining it first. And guys, Essence, I think these are $1.99. I think that's how much I bought it for. And these are like so creamy, and when you outline your lips, it just like glides. So if you're on a budget, then this is it. I swear, Essence has some good products as well, and they are cheap products too. And then I'm going in and using this one. Look at how pretty this is, guys. Like, honestly, this is so beautiful, and it's just a beautiful nude, pink nude. And I'm in love with this. This has honestly been my go-to nude. And this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.